Want to use your Apple Watch with US Mobile? It's easier than you think. As of September 2025, US Mobile fully supports Apple Watch Series 4 and newer GPS plus cellular models using eSIM technology. This means no physical SIM card is needed. You'll also need an iPhone running iOS 18 or later and a US Mobile account. The key is number share, which lets your watch share your iPhone's number for calls, texts, and data. First, make sure you have a US Mobile plan with eSIM capabilities. You're one step closer to enjoying cellular connectivity on your wrist. First, pair your Apple Watch with your iPhone using Bluetooth. Ensure both devices are powered on and close together. Next, open the Watch app on your iPhone and navigate to the cellular section. Now, in the US Mobile app, find the option to add device and select Apple Watch to generate an eSIM QR code. Scan this QR code within the Watch app on your iPhone to install the eSIM. Activate number share in your iPhone settings under Phone, then assign it to your Apple Watch in the Watch app. Activation usually takes 5 to 10 minutes. If you run into any snags, US Mobile offers 24/7 chat support to help you through the process. Enjoy the freedom of cellular on your Apple Watch.